Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Amazon online shopping app. Amazon is the world's largest online marketplace. It started as a bookstore in the 1990s, but today it sells practically everything: electronics, clothing, groceries, furniture, and digital content like movies and music. Amazon got famous subscription service, Prime membership. In the US, it's about $14.99 per month or $139 in a year. In the UK, it's about $8.99 per month or 95 quid per year. It gives you free fast shipping. Often get the order in 1 to 2 days, and also access to Prime Video, music streaming, and exclusive deals like Prime Deals. Amazon sells its own product, but also hosts millions of independent sellers. So you need to look out for Ship from Amazon or Prime for most reliable and fast delivery. And also they got key features like one-click ordering, customer reviews, where you can get the review or see the reviews customer wrote on that particular product. And also they have Alexa voice shopping and subscribe and save auto delivery for household items. Shipping speed, the main advantage with Prime, you get 1 to 2 days shipping on millions of items. Without Prime, shipping can be slower and cost extra. In terms of return, very easy and often free. You can drop off your item in various shops, UPS store or Whole Foods without even repackaging sometimes. And also Amazon Basic, their own in-house brand for everyday item, battery, bedding, cables, and they are cheap but decent quality. These are information I thought to share with you. Now we're going to install this app. Go to Play Store, select Play Store, then select search and type Amazon, AMAZON. Select on it. Amazon shopping, 1 billion plus downloads, 4 million reviews. So select install. So the app is getting ready. Also make sure you have enough space to install this app. It doesn't take a lot of space. So about 100 to 150 MB. So if you go to your phone setting, then check storage to make sure you got enough space. So the app is installing. The app is installed. Then select open. This is Amazon shopping app. It's getting ready. Join Prime. You can search for any particular product you want on the search bar. For example, once you select on that particular, if you want to search for, let's say, HP printer, you type HP printer from the search bar, HP printer. Select search. Then it will show you HP printers they got. If you go back to the home, it will show you Join Prime, Haul, Everyday Essentials, Same Day and Overnight, Alexa List, Prime Video, Music, Customer Service. So if you select this, show you categories. So these 3 dots show you shop by categories. So you select various categories: Prime, gifting and charity, deals and savings, spotlight stores, groceries and drinks, health and personal care, pets, fashion and beauty, home and DIY, devices and electronics, music and video game, books and reading. So you can scroll all the way. We'll also show you customer service, sign out or switch account, and also your stuff. And also you have payments, sustainability, delivery services, make money with us, language and travel gear, sports and fan shop, office and professional, automotives, toys and children and baby. So these are categories. You can use the camera to capture the image. Then you give access to camera, for example. Select while using this app. If you want to search for this, if you don't want to type it, you can also use the camera to capture the image. So use the camera to capture the image captured, and it will show you. So these are list of these products from Amazon. So if you want to buy this, for example, you select on the particular product, you select add to basket. If you go back to the home page, you can continue to shop any particular product you want. You can go to Prime Video, will show you Prime videos. Then you go back to home page, music, free streaming music, no credit card required. If you go back to the home page again, show you customer service. In case if you want to contact customer service, grocery, select groceries. Then we show you Fresh, Morrison, Prime, same day, or Co-op, or shop all groceries. Go back to home page, everyday essentials. So we show you everyday essentials. You can select any particular item, just add it to basket, then you put your card details. If we go back, this is home. Also have Amazon haul. You can add any Amazon haul you want, or you can start it from the top as well. And also categories. These are Amazon hauls categories as well. So if you go back to home page, it will take you to the main home page. If you select Join Prime, show you the benefits. You can see annual amount per year or monthly. You can scan any particular product you want, add it to the basket and pay for it. Put your address or your card details and you are good to go. So this is how to install Amazon app. And if you go back to your home screen to find this app, you go to your home screen and the app is on the screen. If you want to remove the app or uninstall the app, just hold it, then select uninstall. It will ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So the app will be removed from the phone. The app is uninstalled. So this is information I thought to share with you. Thank you very much indeed.